Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to activate a Halifax debit card. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google and type in, as you can see how I typed it here, halifax.co.uk. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and activate Halifax debit card. So now I'll be switching to the step by step, and here it is how you can actually need to go and do it. So first of all, go and log into the of course app or your web wherever you are at the moment, and click on your current account where you are. That is step 2. Then open the card management, so go and click on the 3 dots and click on the card management. Now when you have done that, step 3 is to go and click on activate card. So you'll have your debit cards there. You can click activate cards, click on activate card, wait for it to activate of course, and the card will be activated. So you can of course use a PIN at the ATM to activate it also. That's another option. So you can see it here in the last step. You can go use the PIN at the ATM to activate it like that, which is maybe an easier thing if you of course don't have time to do it online. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.